South Africa's delayed coal transition is emerging as both an energy policy fault line and also a public health emergency, with the climate rights groups warning that prolonged reliance on coal could result in tens of thousands of avoidable deaths over the coming decades. A new assessment by groups including Greenpeace estimating that continued postponement of coal phase out could contribute to as many as 32,000 premature deaths between 2026 and 2050, alongside tens of thousands of childhood asthma cases and other respiratory illnesses. The burden is projected to be especially severe in industrial regions, which also includes Johannesburg and Pretoria. Although Gauteng has no major coal plants of its own, it is heavily impacted by the pollution drifting from other coal-heavy provinces.
So the situation is pretty bad. I mean, and it's continuously getting worse because also in the surrounding areas around Johannesburg, there's a lot of mining sites and construction sites too, which add to the problems as well as the burning aspect too, because a lot of people without electricity, they will tend to make fires in order to obviously keep warm and things like that as well. So there's many different aspects that add to that.
Health advocates are saying the impact is already visible on the ground, with rising respiratory disease, childhood asthma and long-term health complications linked to persistent air pollution. Campaigners are arguing the health costs are being absorbed quietly by hospitals and families rather than being reflected in the energy policy calculations. And for more on this, our correspondent Calvin Ongmu getting us this report.
South Africa still gets about 80% of its electricity from coal, making it one of the world's most coal-dependent economies and a major emitter. The sector employs over 90,000 people, making the industry's closure politically and economically sensitive. Last year, some coal plants had their lifespans extended to 2050, raising concerns that this will prolong harmful air pollution. This is Calvin Ongmu from Johannesburg, South Africa for WION World is One.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.